Hello everyone, and welcome to a FeaturePoints instructional video on how to get feature points on your iOS device. First, open Safari and navigate to FeaturePoints.com. From there, continue as a new user and enter the referral code of the person who referred you. This will grant you with 50 points to get you started. Once inside the app, you will see your first app offer to download for an additional 20 points on top of what you have already earned from your referral. Go ahead and download VidWow. Head back to the app and you will see your balance has been updated to reflect your previous actions. Now, you can see all other app offers have been unlocked and you may now complete surveys as well. Go ahead and start earning your free rewards using FeaturePoints.